Today I have an unboxing video for you guys, and it's not the usual unboxing, it's not the usual hair video where I show you the results and then take you through it. We're going to be doing this together. So today I got my package. This is Burmese. Okay, so this is the Burmese curly clip-in hair extensions between 3C and 4A texture. I do probably have some 4A here. This is an all wash and go. I'm going to get this put together, but first I want to do the unboxing with you guys. So this is the box that it came in. It says your present. It's a really cute pink box. It's just very simple. The hair, one packet, and 2 extra clips. Right, so first impression of this, I'm kind of like bummy because it looks like a really little bit of hair. I saw someone do a review or do like a unboxing and like a what it has a bit of a like a funky scent. Not terrible, but kind of chemically, kind of like there was some processing done. Now, would I say this is 4A? Not necessarily, but I do think that I can make this work with my own hair. The only trouble is, will this be enough to give me a full head of hair, or did I absolutely royally mess up? Let's see what the webs are looking like. It's supposed to be 7 pieces, and you know what, my head is pretty big, and maybe that's what got me a little bit overconfident. I saw the other girl, she bought 2 packs just in case, and she ended up just happened to use the one. So I'm like, okay, one, because I always like a natural look. So these are 2 1 clips. These will go more to the front. I believe it will go more to the front, or maybe to the nape. A 3 clip, a 2 clip. Is this a 3 clip? No, this is a 2 clip. 2 clips, a 3 clip, a 3 clip, a 3 clip. So 3 clips, 2 1 clips, and 2 clips. So that's 7 pieces in total, and I'm scared. I'm really scared. I'm not just joking. Okay, y'all pray for me, because I really don't know if that's going to be enough. And that's just it. So I got this on Amazon. I'm gonna put it on the screen for you. I got this on Amazon from the brand Zikria, and actually was I got this off of this girl's video. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to put a picture of it. Maybe I'll put her name or something right there on the screen for you, so you can go check out her review as well. And this cost $39.99 USD for this hair, and it's supposed to be a full head, 12 inches. It has 77 reviews, 4 stars, and people put it in a number of ways. Like, you can literally style it, and you can also use it to like full out your hair. I'm going to be putting away my hair, like canering the hair, just leaving a bit of it out to blend with it. So as you can see, this wash and go is done. It's done, so it's flaky, it's crunchy, and it's time for me to do my annual why did I say annual? My weekly wash anyway. So I'll be back. Okay, so this is the final result of my hair dry, and if you watched the beginning of the video, then you know that this video was not supposed to be anything like this, but it ended up working out. This is like the first time in years since I've had my hair in like a side part curly like this, and I love it. I think it's so cute. I normally don't like hair falling in my face like this, so that's why I was kind of reluctant to put it with a side part, but it is standing up and I love it just as it is. Even this one that is disassociating from the rest. Yeah, so things in the video kind of went downhill from the moment the grease fell on my top. That was it. My mic wasn't synced up. Not that it died, it just was not connected properly, and as you guys saw, the hair was not enough. Sometimes stuff like that happens. I'm gonna see what else I could do with it. Maybe I can use it in a bun or something like that, but I mean, it's gonna be like such a waste of bundles of human hair, so maybe I'll just get another set to go with it. And the reason why I didn't buy two in the first place is because I'm someone who likes more of a natural look. Like, I could potentially grow this out of my head kind of vibe when it comes to the hair volume density. So when I saw that one pack was good enough for the girl that I was watching, I don't remember her name, I was like, okay, fine, that should be definitely enough for me. I did not take into factor that my head is bigger than the average woman, because I am bigger than the average woman. I'm taller than the average woman, so my head size needed to be taken into special account. So but beyond that, I felt like still some of the weft lengths, like, you know, I've had well, what do you call them, clip-in tracks before, and they normally tend to be a little bit longer. Yeah, so I'm not sure if it's me is the problem or if that is the problem, but this is the first time I'm using natural hair, or like curly, supposed to be kinky hair type clip-ins. Also, it's actually quite silky. Like, I don't know how it would look if I wet it, if I like open out the curls some more or whatever, but like as of now, it would have been quite difficult to blend with my hair. I would have had to use like some perm rods or something to get that to kind of look like it even resembled in curls. So that would have been another issue. So yeah, I may make use as a bun, or if anyone wants it, let me know in the comments. Small head can definitely have that. What else? Yeah, so this is like a really shiny result, and I think the shine is specifically from Beagle. This stuff is really shiny, and I have a nice hold, but you can see it is really bouncy. So Beagle is really good for hold. So if you want hold, definition, shine, absolutely, but your hair is not gonna be bouncy because it's really but I think adding this to it, and like degrees as well, the whole combination of the routine today was really nice. So I'm someone who normally just does what works for them and you know, sticks to it, but I like the fact that these products have good ingredients in it, and like I said earlier, I'm going to be keeping track of how much hair fall I have at the end of every protective style, at the end of every week, and also like take note of what products I used in my hair. This particular product from the Do has quite a few good ingredients like aloe, vitamin B, C, E, keratin, silk amino acids, and cationic honey that is formulated for cosmetic purposes. So I love that about it. Love that about it. Like, that it makes the price point all the more worth it. And when you put this in your hair, it actually feels like you're putting honey in your hair. So like, I think like a tub of this could probably last me a month if I want to do a wash and go every weekend. And I think I'm definitely like a side part girly now, at least half the time. It's good to switch around your parts so that your hair doesn't get like, how to say, like bald spots, and your parts don't become wider from like overuse. I'm sweating, it's hot. Anyway, I was also listening to Justin Bieber Tiny Desk, and it was lit. So if you haven't ever listened to it, that's also for charity. I don't know if you could still raise funds by looking at the video at this point, but check him out, and have a good weekend. Love you guys. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.